Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cloud from Tropicaland. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across. Then from both ends, we're going to angle it out slightly and curve it in. And then a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the hat. From the top corners, let's curve it out and in. Now on top, let's draw two angles up. And a curve at the top. And that's it for the hat. Now let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start with two large circles near the top for the eyes. And then let's hop in and let's draw an oval towards the center. And color these both in black. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with two curves. And curve it around on top. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the beak. Let's start with the curve across in the middle. And then let's curve each side down to a point. Now let's move up to the top and let's draw a curve up on each side. And connect it with a curve across. Now top out and let's draw two curves down and out on each cheek. And then let's close off the top and bottom with another curve. And then let's hop down and let's draw two ovals on each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a V-shaped point down. Then let's hop out to the sides and let's draw an angle down and back in. Angle it down again. And then let's bring it back down to the center. Now underneath in the middle, let's draw a line down. And two angles out at the bottom. And then let's hop out and let's draw two curves for the sides of the shirt. And close it off on each end. Now let's hop in and let's draw some details on the shirt. Let's start in the center on the right side and let's draw 3 circles for the buttons. And now on each side, let's draw some palm trees. let's start by drawing 3 curved points inwards on each side like this. And then 3 going out in the same way, and leave the bottom open with a small gap. Now at the bottom here, let's draw 2 lines down. Now let's add a smaller palm tree underneath. Let's draw 3 points in. And then 3 going the other way. And again, let's leave the bottom open. Now at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves down. Lastly, let's add one more on the side by drawing 3 points out on the side here. And then a curve down. And that's it for the main part of the shirt. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. At the top under the collar, let's draw a curve down. And curve it back in to finish off the sleeves. Now underneath for the arms, let's draw a curve down on the inside, close to the body. And a bump for the thumb. Now top out and let's draw a longer curve down and back up to close off each arm. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the shorts. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down and back up. Now from each side, let's draw a line down. And 2 in the middle. Now let's close off the bottom of each short leg with a curve across. Now underneath for the legs, let's draw 2 lines down on each side. Then angle it out for the feet. And let's add a curve at the bottom. Now top in, and for the sandals, let's draw another curve across at the bottom here. And 2 curves up across the feet. And then color the sandals in black. And that's it for Cloud. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!